In this video, we'll talk about how you can get rid of the light reflections from your glasses. So you can go from like this to this in few easy steps. The first thing is that you should use a softbox or an umbrella so that it spreads the light out and you don't have a harsh point of light or a harsh origin of light that is lighting you. Now once you have your light set up, it's time to work the angle. So any glass surface has a reflective angle, so you just need to work the reflective angle of the glass or of the glasses that you have, right? So let me quickly show you using a diagram what am I talking about. So here is the diagram. So let's say this is you and this is the camera and this is the light, right? So you have to work the reflective angle. So if I have my camera here and my light here, it is going to give a reflection on the camera. So what you can do is reduce the angle so that the reflection doesn't get caught by the camera. What I currently have, my setup is kind of like this. So I have my camera, I have my light directly behind it. So from my glasses, the reflective angle sort of reflects down bottom at the table or the floor, so the camera doesn't catch it. So currently that is the setup that I have. You can work the angles first, and then also you can try another thing is working the height. So if the angle, you cannot move the light for some reason, say you don't have enough room, you can sort of increase the height of the light, so that way the reflection sort of goes down into the ground and is not caught by the camera. The last point I want to mention is that do get glasses with a good reflective coating. Let me show you what I mean. These glasses that I have are normal glasses. These are made up of glass and these are made up of fiber. These glasses that I'm wearing have reflective coating on them. Let me put on my old glasses real quick and you'll see the difference. So as you can clearly see, you can sort of make out the light on my glasses, right? And if I move my head, you can clearly see the reflections of my screen as well. So that's due to the nature of the glass. So these are made up of glass and they do not have any reflective coating. Meanwhile, the other frame that I have, these have reflective coating on them and they are made up of fiber, so they are not made up of glass. So you can clearly see that I don't have any reflective reflection on my glasses. And if I tilt my head back, you can see the reflection, but it's not as bad as it was with these glasses. Even though these have anti-reflective coating on them, there is a bit of reflection. So work the angles, work the height, and try to get a pair of non-reflective glasses. So that's all for this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one.